how to unzip a file on Mac. Hey guys, in this video, I will guide you through how you can unzip a file on Mac. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the folder where your zip file is located. Then you have to select and double click on your zip file and your file will be unzipped. You can also check it by opening the unzipped or uncompressed folder. And if you want to zip or compress that file, then what you have to do is select and right click on that unzipped or uncompressed file and a drop down menu will appear like this. After that, you have to tap on compress and your file will be zipped again. So that's how you can unzip a file on Mac. That's all for this video. If you really found it helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.